Alright, guys. I don't know. I don't know what in the world's wrong with this, but it's a triangle shaped Philips speaker. You see? Pretty good. Pretty good, actually. It's extremely well made. I'm surprised at how well this thing is made. Look, nothing's, they have these clippy. Hold on. There we go. See, they have these little clips. This clip goes to this, like a little switch thing. This clip goes to the batteries. And these two clips over here go to the speakers. And I'm hearing a slight buzzing sound through both speakers. Like, the louder you turn your music, the louder the buzzing sound goes. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook these clips and pull the wires out of them. And then, see, this is like a little amp here. Except you can't adjust anything. So, I'm going to try to fix this. I don't know how. But if you have any, like, ideas of what could be wrong with this thing, for it to buzz like that, Is my finger dying? I don't even know. Thing, I don't know. So I'm just gonna set you right here. I'm gonna I open the drawer slightly and I'm gonna close it on the camera so that I can work while showing you. Crap. Sorry for all the shakiness and everything. Okay, now I'm going to try taking these clips out. There's one clip. And here's another clip. Now here's the speakers right here. They look pretty good actually. So I'm just going to pull the wires out of here. Well, if I can. You can somehow pull the wires out of these little things. And I've done it before to laptop speakers and stuff, replacing them. But these seem a little bit tougher. Oh, I'm scared I'll break the cords. I don't want to do that. How about this? I'll take the speakers out and see what the problem is. Well, not see what the problem is, just kind of clear up a little working room. So here's one. One little thing that comes off. Still, how do these things hook on? I don't see anything else, so. There's a screw to it. I'm just gonna somehow pull this off. I think I got it. There we go. Now, I'm going to gently pull the speaker off. Just gently. Ow. I can just re-epoxy these things back in. So don't worry, I'm not destroying anything here. Really. Huh. So I'm just gonna pull this thing out and get on my way with it. There's one. I've actually never seen speakers like these. These are extremely well made. It has like a hold on, let me focus it for you. There we go. It has like a see-through black spider in there. And it has like a cool little dust cap. Hopefully I can fix these, because I really like this speaker. You know? I was just thinking, I wonder how stupid I sound. Wait. Oh my gosh, these things are free to move. Like there's no moving scratchiness, no friction sounds, no nothing. No nothing. You know what? I'm gonna just upload this video and I'll wait and see how many people, you know, do whatever. Come on, focus. Why aren't you focusing? Okay, I'm gonna see how many people, you know. I've got one video that's trying to upload and it's gonna be about 700 minutes, you know, which is pretty ridiculous. But it is 4 gigabytes, and I do compress some of my video. That's why some of them are in bad quality. So, yeah, I want to see how good this thing focuses. Okay, now look in there. Cool. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.